Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So in today's session we will be doing page number 57 from your Math Magic Ncert. Alright, so in this page we will be dealing with the patterns in parts. So the first question here we have is make different patterns by coloring some squares in the grade B, C, D. What part of the grid did you color? What part of the grid remain white? You have to write that. So the first one is done for you in the part A, that is the figure number A. You can see this is figure number A. So it is drawn in such patterns. You can see here it is drawn in such pattern that 8 by 16 is the blue one and the remaining one, the white one, is 8 by 16, right? So in this manner, similarly, you have to draw some pattern here which you like, and now after writing that you have to write what part you have colored and what part remain white. Okay, so let's start doing. So for number B I'm doing right now. So I will be coloring. Let me take the yellow color. So I'll be doing like this here and this one. Okay, similarly I will be coloring this part and this part. So this is what I'll be doing. You may take any pattern. Okay, you can take any pattern to color, make a pattern, okay, using the color. So now you have to write similarly how they have written 8 by 16 was blue. Now over here also, what part is yellow, as you have taken yellow, so what part is yellow and what part is white. Okay, so let's start counting. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 part here is 6 part out of 16 is yellow. So let me color this yellow. Okay, in this square box we can find 6 yellow and how many are white? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So that means out of 16, 10 part is white. So W is representing white. So in number B I have made one pattern. You can see I have drawn with the yellow and I have made this X shape here. So in this pattern, 6 by 16 is the yellow part. Out of 16 there is 6 part, and out of 16 10 part is white, which we did not touch. All right, the next I'll be choosing green. So in order to do this, I'll color this part first, then I'll color this part. I have already told you can take any pattern and you have to write what part you are coloring and what part you are keeping white. The choice of your pattern is your own choice. So I'm taking the border also here so that you'll not get confused afterwards. Okay, next I'll color whole part here. So in this manner you have to do it. Okay, now let's count how much part you have colored and what part is the remaining. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So out of 16, that is 16, 10 is green, and how many are white? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 by 16, that is out of 16, 6 part is white. Okay, so in this manner you have to do for number D also, the pattern number D. Okay, let me take the red color only for this. Okay, so this part I'm coloring, this part is also colored. Color it full manner, color it in fully. Next I can take this. The choice of pattern is yours. Okay, so this is this is a type of pattern which I have made here. So out of this, now let's write what is the red and what is the white. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 by 16. So why 16? There are 16 boxes are red, and what part is white? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So it is 10 by 16. Out of 16, that is 10 part is white. So in this manner you have to do it. I have already told you, whenever you are drawing the pattern, it's not like that we have to follow this. You have to follow the same pattern which I have drawn. You can make any pattern, and the writing part should be done. That is, what part you are making coloring, what part you are remaining, what part is remaining, that should be written in this fractional form. Okay, so with this we are over with question number 1 of page number 57. In the same question, in the same page number, you'll find the question number 2. That is, the question is, look at the grid A again. The grid A was this, right? I have cropped it and I have pasted it over here. It is same in your book. Look at the grid A again. Is the grid colored? Now you have to say, is it colored 1 by 2 blue and 1 by 2 white, or 2 by 4 blue, 2 by 4 white, or 3 by 4 8, 3 by 8 5 by 8 white, and 4 by 8 blue, 4 by 8 white. So whichever is the wrong, whichever the pattern is, whichever the part is wrong here, whichever the fraction is not actually correct, you have to cross it in this manner. If suppose blue is wrong, B is wrong, then you have to cross the B part. But before that, let's calculate. So what fraction we got? 8 by 16 blue and 8 by 16 white. So it was 8 by 16 blue and 8 by 16 white. Yes, so it was like that. So let us convert this into the normal fraction. That is, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So yes, we can write 1 by 2 blue and 1 by 2 white is the correct option. There is no problem with this. Okay, if I change this, I can, so option is correct, so I can take this. I can also take it as 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16. So yes, 4 by 8 blue and 4 by 8 white is also the correct option. We are getting that, absolutely. So next, okay, so we can also cut like this. 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16. So 2 by 4 blue and 2 by 4 is also the correct option. Now the question comes, is 3 by 8 and 3 by 8 blue and 5 by 8 white possible? Is it possible? No, it's not possible, because 3 by 8 because 3 cannot be divided by any other 8 cannot be divided by any other number, any number which in which 3 is a 1 multiple. So in 8 factor, if you see 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, you will not see 3 anywhere. So of course our option number C is absolutely incorrect. So 3 by 8 blue and 5 by 8 white is absolutely wrong. Okay, so this is what actually part and whole is all about. Okay, so 1 by 2, the simplest form was 1 by 2 blue and 1 by 2 white. But we can also write this in the form of 2 by 4 blue, 2 by 4 white. We can also write this in the form of 4 by 8 blue and 4 by 8 white. This can be done. Okay, all right, let's proceed to the next one. The next and the last part of this question, page number, that is question number 3. Draw a grid of 16 square and make pattern with 2 by 8 red, 1 by 2 yellow, 1 by 4 green. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so in order to do this, as they have said, we have to draw 2 by 8 red. So in order to do this, we have to do simple calculation. First of all, the calculation is in one square you'll be having 16 boxes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, 14, 15, 16. So in this 16 boxes, what number of the boxes will be actually rayed, that you have to calculate. So in order to do that, 2 by 8 out of 16, 2 by 8 is rayed. That is actually denoting that, right? So we will find the out of 16, 2 by 8 part we are going to find. So 2 by 8 into 16, 8 ones are 8, 8 to the 16, so the value is 4. That means 4 boxes will be red in color. Okay, so let's do it. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes, so let me draw the border here. Okay, so this out of this part 4 boxes are red in color. Now next, what they have asked us to do, they have asked us to find the color 1 by 2 part of the yellow. So what is 1 by 2 of yellow? 1 by 2 of yellow is 1 by 2 into 16. 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16. That means 8 boxes will be yellow in color. So let us color that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so out of the 16 boxes, that means 8 boxes are yellow in color. Alright, so this is actually representing that 1 by 2 means half of the 1 by 2 means half. So that means out of 16, half will be colored with yellow. Next we have is green. So in green, what actually you need to do is, this was number B, sorry, not B, 1 by 2, and now we have to find for 1 by 4 green. So 1 by 4 into 16, out of 16 part 1 by 4 means quarter you have to colored with green. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. That means 4 boxes should be colored with green. 4 boxes should be green in color. So yes, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So easily you can see here that the remaining part is 4, and of course the 4 part will be colored with green. Okay, so with this our colorful box is ready. I hope you liked it. I request you all to make it more colorful, more pretty compared to mine. Okay, so similarly the part B, question number B, will be a home assignment. I request you all to make the color, okay, use the color what they have asked us to, that is blue, red and green, and try to make the beautiful box using the concept of fraction and using the concept of part and wholes. Okay, using the concept of fraction. All right, so this much for today, student. In our next class we will proceed with the next sums. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you everyone.